Good day, this is Jim, and it's Slop in the shop time. We got some more purchases and items, obviously, what these videos are about, and odd and end things. So let's mix up all this slop, go out and feed the pig, and you enjoy the video. This is Monday, November the 26th. This is some purchases that I picked up in 2 or 3 different places. I ordered another adapter, adapter, I guess is a better word, or shaft, or what you call it. Basically, you know my problems with the drill chuck. Well, I ordered a ball bearing chuck from Travelers. It's not a Jacobs, it's a Shark tool. It's direct ship, and I haven't gotten it yet. But I also ordered this R8 to JT 6 adapter. Well, I have another keyless chuck, it's an import, that I've had for several years and never used as I didn't have proper adapter. So I'm going to take this arbor, or one of the two, put it together in case I get out the shop, but probably won't be today. And moving right along is these next 2 purchases I'm going to lay long ways, and they come from, I was out of town for the weekend. I was up in Garrison, Kentucky visiting family. And for young Pete folks that don't realize where Garrison's at, it's in the, well, I don't know what you would call the eastern corner, southeastern corner, Kentucky, Lewis County. It's right there. It's in that area right around West Virginia, Ohio, and Kentucky kind of meet there along the Ohio River. And so we went up to Ashland, Kentucky, to the little flea market. And this outside vendor has these 2 drill indexes. I give him $5 a piece for them with the drills in them, like I need the drills. And so I give him $5 a piece for them, because I could use these 2 little indexes just to set on my lathe and, you know, have me a couple around the shop for use, because I've got so many drills. So that's what that is. And moving right along, the same outside vendor had this set of 1-inch Michitoyo mics. And he asked $30 for them. It's satin chrome. They work really good. I've got a couple of 1-inch sets. I have a 1-inch set of Starrett that I picked up at a flea market here. And I have a 1-inch Craftsman set that I bought a long time ago from Sears. I think Shear Tomiko made the Craftsman, so it looks like a Shear Tomiko mic. So basically what I did is paid for that. So between the mic and these 2 stands, I give him $40. So that's the purchases over the Thanksgiving holidays. I'm still waiting for my Shark ball bearing chuck, and I'll give you a report how well it works once I get it and use it. So that's where we're at on this, and we'll throw this in the bucket, and when old hog gets hungry, we'll feed the pig. Okay, this is the chuck that I bought, and I'm going to be the first to tell you it's not a Jacobs. It's called Shark Tools. Now, this is a Travelers sold chuck. It's 99% chance it's imported. The quality of it looks really good. It feels really good and all that. Now, I'm going to tell you my personal opinion. If you're going to save money, you know, there's grades of everything, and the grades vary depending on what you're getting. I mean, you know, you get fairly inexpensive stuff, you know, maybe your Harbor Freights or some of the others. But if you buy an imported tool from somebody like Travelers, MSD, you're going to get a better quality. Is it as good as a Jacobs? We're going to have a debate. We'll get a lot of debates on it. But the point of it is, for my home shop, this will be plenty sufficient. So now I have chuck options. I have 2 complete setups. I have an imported hand tightening chuck, and then I have this one. So when I'm using my S&D drills and going to tap and stuff like that, power tap, I have this as available, which is something I've really been wanting. So this chuck is $69, $70 compared to what a Jacobs would run. And it feels good, it looks good, the construction looks pretty good, looks finishes real good. So for my home shop use, I think I will be all right. I mean, the one on my lathe is, I don't know, it's a no-name import you buy for next to nothing, and I've been using for years and adapted it up. So here's the chuck. It just came in a few minutes ago. So I get to put all my stuff in the shop. I hope you enjoyed Slop in the Shop. I will remind you that these videos are copyrighted production of James Dedman Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, and for your personal entertainment. I hope you enjoyed what we fed the pig today, and we'll see you in the next video.